National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Mobile County in southwest Alabama. This includes the cities of Tillman's Corner, Theodore, Bayou La Batter until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service radar indicated bands of heavy rain showers and thunderstorm have reduced rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches over the warned area. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area in the next 2 hours. To report flash flooding to your National Weather Service, call toll-free at 1-877-633-6772. Report flash flooding to your National Weather Service in Mobile at area code 251 and in 633-6443. Or you may contact your nearest law enforcement agency or county emergency management, and they will